Hi, welcome to this brand new video where I'll walk you through the all-in-one sales and marketing system. Make sure you don't have any distractions because this is going to be a very powerful video that will help you to grow and automate your business. So let's just start away straight. Okay, so this is our dashboard where we have lead generation, lead management, lead automations, and all different kinds of options here. So let's start with lead generation first. So click here on lead generation. So here in the shop builder, you can list out your shop with digitalized services you're selling or any products you're going to, you want to list it out with different kinds of call to action buttons where you can list out different products from here, right? So with different kinds of call to action button on inquiry now, appointment, buy now, custom links, you can have different kinds of buttons and you can list out n numbers of products if you're reselling any services, you can list it out here in your shop. Okay, so this is how you can digitalize your shop and click here on sites, right? Moving up, we can click here on sites. This is a very powerful builder we have got with us that you can make your landing pages, funnels, or multi-page websites from here. We also have our template library. We have where we have advanced you know templates that where are very attractive templates, we tell very attractive, that helps you to grow your business and VSLs. If you want, you can directly import any one if you want, if it's for hotel and resorts, if it's for your website, if it's for hospitals and clinics, you can just import it from here. One click, it's imported here, and once you have refreshed it here, it will come up here. Okay, so how can you can just click on this and you can even edit. This is a multi-page funnel or the website we tell. You can even edit it from here, right? So you can add different kinds of section from here. On the left side you have different kinds of section you can add. If you want to add a full width section with different kinds of rows, you can add multiple columns here and your rows and everything. You can even add elements, call to action buttons or maps or anything. If you want to add text, you can add it here. If you want to add image, you can add the image here, right? So this is how you can add multiple rows and columns if you have got for your website. So here you can do it, and you can even move deeper into the advanced where you can adjust the padding of it. Okay, we'll just select one element that will help us. Okay, you can adjust the padding from here, fix it layout, size and spacing, every advanced option for adjusting the elements. You can do it from here. Position layouts, so you can change the background colors, even the colors, everything you can change it from here, right? So this is a builder where you can make your landing pages and websites within no time, with from scratch also. And we have got a pre-built templates you can edit according to your scenarios or your services, and you can make it live on your domain or your subdomains from here. You can add your main domain or subdomains and make it live in no time. Next, we have chat widget that you can embed it on your websites or landing pages for your end users to chat with your AI or your, human staff. So you can add new widget from here. Let's just get an overview. We can name it as, you know, new test one. We can name the widget. You can give a description. You can just select the staff from here. You can add the staff from your settings. So you can add the staff, you can activate the status, and you can click here on next. Okay, once done, it will give you your company name. You can write down your company name. I can say brand name, my brand. I can say, okay, I can say brand name. Okay, I can even change this support. I want to name the agent as agent Siri. We can say agent Siri. We can say yes, and we can upload the logo and click here on next. I can choose the brand color. I can even change it from here if I want. So darker color I prefer. mm, Here it will change it here. Okay, so just make sure it changes here. On the right side you can see the preview. You can even I can change the icon colors. I can change the icons from here. and any prompt question, I can even change it from here. The prompt question appears here. I can change, choose the position. I can enter the welcome message, fallback message. I can select all this and click here on next. Once done, what are the mandatory things for the conversation? Please provide us these details. If I want email name, email, and phone number, I can select and click on next and finish configurations. Right? Once done, the our AI widget is added, and I can just get the code and embed it on the website uh, body code. Right? I can just get this code, copy it here, and coming up here on builder, okay, I can just, if I want to do it on my hospital website, I can click here on settings and body tracking code. I can paste it here and update it. So it will update on the landing page there on the top bottom right corner. Okay, moving forward, we have our lead generation form where you can collect informations you wanted from your end users. So based on the informations, you have a quality lead, and based on it, you can run automations and everything. Here, ads and social, we have you know uh, you can run ads from different kinds of platform from here, like a single platform connectivity, all the different platforms you have: Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, even your Facebook ads, all the platforms that are there for you, for ads. You can run ads from here, from this platform. So moving down here, lead management, we have a very strong CRM, CRM management system where you can manage all your leads. You can make different kinds of pipelines, and you can get two views actually, a grid view and the list view here. Okay, so this is our list view where all the leads it will show. Okay, so this is our list view. If you want to do it for only particular pipeline, you can do it from here, right? This is our grid view. Okay, so this is our grid view. Follow up, you can create different kinds of follow-ups for your end users. You can create it from here, and you can, give a title. You can say as follow up at 5 p.m. Okay, you can just give a title, you can give a description about it, you can select the contact from here for which you want to give the follow-up, and you can save it from here. Okay, so due date, we can even change the due date from here, edit task, and I can change the due date to 5 p.m. it says. Okay, and I can just save it from here. Okay, so 5 p.m. It comes under actually 24 hours, so we can just select the timings from here. Okay, and 17, and I can just save it. So this is how I can create follow-ups for my end users. Can create as many as follow-ups I want, and I can manage them. Coming up here on contacts, it will show all the contacts that have come from different kinds of channels, like your Facebook ads, your WhatsApp ads, and if you have added them manually, if it has come through forms, if it has come through calendar, if it has come through the chat widget we have added on our website. So all the different channels, if it has come through Instagram, if it will show all the contacts that have come through different channels. It will show us here on this, one list, that is the contacts. So you can even manage those contacts here. You can see all the contacts that have come from different kinds of channels. You can see all the contacts group. You can create different kinds of groups. So based on the groups, you can filter it, and if you want to run any bulk campaign in future, that will help you to filter all your leads and all the meta leads that have come. So it will show here. So based on the dates and the page, and the account you have connected, you can see all the leads that have come through meta. Coming up down here, lead automation, you can have email templates. You can connect to WhatsApp. One is Waba, that is WhatsApp official API, and one is WhatsApp sender to send automated messages to end users that are coming through different kinds of channels, like forms. As I told you, it might come through your WhatsApp ads, it might come through all the calendar bookings, then it might come through Instagram, right? So you can run different kinds of workflows from here, and you can even automate those messages. So you can connect WABA, WhatsApp sender, that is normal WhatsApp you have in your phone. And Vaba, that is WhatsApp official API. You can even apply it for to Meta. You can create different kinds of workflows from here, right? If I want a basic workflow like any lead coming from my Instagram, so I want a workflow for it. So I can click here on add new trigger and click here on forms, and I just select the forms from here and just select the website form. So once the lead has filled up this website form, I can automate that. I can click here on plus, and if I want to send a WhatsApp message, I can just select the WhatsApp message. I select my device. If I've scanned, and I just select whatever message I want to send, right? So I can just send them this particular message and I confirm. So whenever they fill up a form, I can send them the WhatsApp message and continue whatever workflow I want to continue. Nextly, if I want to give them a tag, and I can click here on operations and I can tag them saying that website lead. Okay, if I have this, yes, I have it, and I can name it as website. So once they have filled up the form, the message will be sent, and then nextly they will get a website lead tag. So that's how I can continue my automation workflows, and based on it I can run automations on it, and manage everything through automation. So once we go back, I can even run bulk campaigns from here for my email, WhatsApp. I can create different kinds of bulk campaigns. I can even schedule it, right? I can click here on create campaign. I click here on next. Okay, I can just name the campaign as test one, right? I can select the WhatsApp or email, whatever campaign I want to run. If I just want to run WhatsApp, I can just select WhatsApp. If I want to run both, I can just select both and click on next. Based on it, I can even select the my audience, that from VSL page. I can select I want to run it for them. So it will show me all the audience that are available in this particular pipeline and the VSL lead, right? It will come up, and I click here on apply and click here on next, and I can select all the templates from here for my Vaba. Just make sure it will show only the Vaba templates from here, right? It will only show the Vaba templates here. I can just select the custom values from here. Okay, and I can just select the email template also from here, right? I can select the email template, click here on next, and I can just test my campaign for WhatsApp and email both, right? If I don't want to, I can just click here on next, and I can even schedule it from here. So if I want to schedule it for 16th of September at time, I'll just select the time also from here at you know 2 o'clock. Yes, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I can just select it and schedule my campaign. So it will just schedule my campaign, and I can go to campaigns, and this is how I can run bulk campaigns also, right? And coming down here on the operations, you can even add your projects, and you can add your workspace, and you can manage all your projects by adding your staff. You can the staff can add their own task, and they can manage, and you can track about their task, which all tasks they have completed, which have taken so much how much time. So that's how you can manage your task, and even the staff task. Then coming down in the inbox, it will show all the message for the particular users that have come from the different channels, right? So if this for Vraj, it has come through Instagram live chat, everything it has come will show in a single single place, I mean. So we have different kinds of channels: live chat, WhatsApp, Baba, email, Instagram. If any message is sent from here, it will show. If any message has been received from the end users, it will show here. So you don't have to go around and search it for different kinds of channels, different places. No, you can just check it out for that particular contact in one place only, and it will show the source also here, live chat. Even if you want to send WhatsApp message, you can select it from here, and you can send it for that single user. You can do it from your Vaba email. So everything, this is a unified inbox. You can do it for your different kinds of contacts from here, right? Coming down, you can see the calendar. You can replace it with calendly. It's almost like replaced to calendly. So you can make your own calendars from here, different kinds of calendars if you want to. I can just make one calendar too. I can name it as calendar too. I can add location. I want it on Zoom. I can just paste away my Zoom link. I can select the stuff. Then I can just give a description about my calendar, right? I can select the booking per slot, minimum scheduling, what are the date range they can, book their appointment 5 days into future. I can select the timings of my availability, Sundays and Saturdays. If I'm not available, I can just, deselect and, uh, you know, if I want to add custom fields, I can add it from here. If I want the business name and everything, I can add it and create my event type. So once done, okay, let me just select my location here, Zoom, and I can just select as zoom.com and click here on update. So once done, I can create my event type, and the same way it will also replace here. Okay, so I can even select my calendars. So 5 days into future, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And Saturdays and Sundays I am not available. I can book my slot whatever, whichever time I am available, right? For the end users, they can book their slots from here. So this is how you can make even the calendars for your end users. They can book their appointment and uh, get it done. Here in the finance section, you can manage all your finances from here. You can add different kinds of products for your shop. If you want to do it, you can do it from here. If you're selling different kinds of services, you can do it. You can even add those products in the folders, right? If I want to name it as test, I can just click here on submit, and the folder is created. I can move all my products here into the folder. I can select the folder from here and click here on submit. So it will just move into the folder. I can just view it from here, and I can just check it out about the folder. So this is how I can add different kinds of products in the folder also. I can even add coupon codes. So even the coupon codes you can, that will help you to give discount to your end users. I can add promo code from here for the product I want. I can name the promo code as new promo, right? I can just name the promo code as promo 20 2025. So whoever types promo 2025 for this particular product, that is new test product, and from the date 8 to 9th, only for 1 day I have, and I want to give them 100% discount. I can even give them flat, like flat 2000 rupees or something. So I want to give them 100% discount on this. I can just select 100% discount. Okay, and maximum redemption by 5 people, they can do it, and it is active. Yes, it is active, and I can click here on submit. So whoever types promo 2025 for this particular product, they will get 100% discount, and only maximum of 5 people can use those promo code, right? Coming up here on sales, I can create subscriptions installments manually for my end users. If I have any subscription plans, I can create it from here, right? I can create subscriptions and everything. I can even manage my invoices, quotations if you want to, right? And I can even give quotations from here. I can make quotations for different kinds of products. If I have, I can select all the products. If I want to add any custom product here, I can even add custom product, name it, you know test test to, I can give the product price as 12,000. I can select the quantity, and I can even you know make the quotations here, right? You can even see the transactions. You can even manage your expenses, right? You can even add different kinds of categories here on your expenses, right? You can even manage those expenses. You can see the reports of it, your profit loss, GST, overdue invoices, customers income, all the reports. You can get it. You can even connect your payment gateways. You have different kinds of payment gateways options here: Razorpay, Stripe, Instamojo, Cashfree, PayPal, Paytm. So you can connect either one, get your payments here, and manage all your expenses and report here. You can even enter all your business info for your invoicings, right? You can enter your GST details, select all the country and everything for your invoices. This is how you can manage your finance section. Coming down, we have our community, where you can manage private community and courses. You can list it out, courses. You can even sell paid courses. Based on that, you can even automate the course access, and even the certifications, right? You can even give your end users the certifications on the completion of courses. right? So automatic certificates are generated, and you can even, you know, have normal exams done, like quiz type, like MCQs, true or false. You can get it done here in this LMS courses, and give them certifications based on their completion, right? So you can even manage your private community and chat groups here. You can post out in your community. So let's just have a preview of the community, right? Right, so here you can customize your community, chat groups, members, and you can even list out the courses, and the courses will be shown here. They can even download certificate from here, right? Any calendar events coming in your community, you can post it here in the calendar. Okay, you can post it from here, from the events, and it will show here in the calendars for your end users. Even your shop will be shown. If you have different kinds of products listed on your shop, it will show here leaderboard, success habits. It will also show the billings with your business. So this is how you can manage your private community here, and even the members here it will show, right? Coming up down here in the settings, we have few kinds of options, like you can manage your own staff. You can generate AI staff also, and you can even add human staff from here. It will give you options, and you can add them based on it. If you want to add human staff, you can name it, your first name, last name, phone number, email ID, and login pin to log in into their account, right? So you can add n numbers of staff, and you can even manage them here, right? Coming down here, SMTP configurations, where you can you know configure your own SMTP to send emails through your servers and your customized emails. So automated emails and the bulk campaign emails that are going to end users will be sent from this SMTP, that once it's configured, right? You can even tag, you can add different kinds of tags here. Okay, so for your end users to be tagged, you'll need to firstly add here the tags, and then you can use it in your automations or in your CRM. You can add different kinds of values and custom fields you have. You can even connect your own domain and white label it, right? So you can even connect your own domain from here, and you can white label it. You can have the analytics done for your courses and for your calls, if you have configured IVR for your emails, right? So for different kinds of sources, you can have analytics done. You can set up your own branding, your AI brain, all the knowledge base for it, right? So you can add different knowledge. Okay, so we have also one more option, that is vault, where you can manage all your documentations and materials that you have got. And we have unlimited storage here as of now, right? We have unlimited storage in this, where you can upload all your documents and manage it here in the vault, right? So coming up down, you can even connect your Facebook, Instagram, LLMs for your chat widget, right? So this is how you can connect different kinds of platforms from here, right? So this is the overview of whole all-in-one marketing and sales system that will help you to grow your business. So if you love this, and if you want to get in touch, we have our calendar link below. Just book your appointment, and we'll show up. And the people who show up are the people who take action. So we'll be waiting you up there for your appointment to be booked, and see you soon there. Thank you.